Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a close look at the car that's got the tech world buzzing, the all-new 2024 Xiaomi SU7. Let's face it, Xiaomi's known for making incredible smartphones and gadgets, but a car? This is uncharted territory, and boy, are they making a splash. Design, beauty and brains. First things first, the SU7 is a stunner. It's got this sleek, sportback silhouette that wouldn't look out of place in a sci-fi movie. The aggressive headlights, the wraparound taillights, and that optional active rear wing. It's pure automotive eye candy. But the beauty goes beyond the surface. Xiaomi's packed this car with cutting-edge tech. We're talking an 800-volt charging architecture, good for a scorching 0 to 62 miles per hour time of just 2.78 seconds. And that's not all. The SU7 boasts up to 497 miles of range on a single charge, thanks to its 101 kWh battery. But the real party's inside. The SU7's cabin is a minimalist masterpiece, with a focus on functionality and clean lines. There's a massive 56-inch head-up display, a 7.1-inch rotating dashboard, because why not? And a steering wheel that looks like it belongs in a spaceship. And of course, it wouldn't be a Xiaomi product without some serious smart tech. The SU7's powered by their own HyperOS system, which seamlessly integrates with your entire Xiaomi ecosystem. Imagine controlling your lights, your speakers, even your robot vacuum cleaner, all from the comfort of your driver's seat. Pretty wild, right? Performance, electrifying thrills. But let's not forget, this is a car. And how does it drive? In a word, exhilarating. The SU7's got some serious power thanks to its hyper-engine V8 motor. We're talking 0 to 62 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, a top speed of 165 miles per hour, and enough handling to put a smile on any driving enthusiast's face. And Xiaomi hasn't skimped on safety either. The SU7 comes packed with the latest driver assistance systems, including lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and even level 2 autonomous driving capabilities. So, is the 2024 Xiaomi SU7 a game changer? It's definitely too early to say for sure, but the signs are promising. Xiaomi's taking a bold step into the automotive world, and they've delivered a car that's not only packed with tech, but also stylish, fun to drive, and surprisingly practical. Of course, there are still some questions. The price tag is still under wraps, and we'll have to see how well the SU7 stacks up against established players like Tesla and Porsche. But one thing's for sure, Xiaomi's made a serious statement with the SU7. They've shown that they're not just a smartphone company anymore, they're here to play in the big leagues, and the future of electric cars is looking a lot more exciting. And if you're looking for even more content on the SU7, check out the links in the description below. There are some great reviews and test drives out there that give you an even deeper look at this revolutionary car. Thanks for watching.